Yagni benta jongga kubor la 1 daga fatafat online shopping store.
Ka World Health Organization kalapan pau bakari India ka day banpur ika Nuksa jong ka jala Meghalaya bante alakam na ka jingpur state uknyang jingpang coronavirus hapakren begla pathai kubor hendin kaski ka khandro terek ujaliu u Dr. Roy uloong baka Meghalaya da ka jingdan ki community COVID-19 management team kala la ba bante alakam ika jingpur kani ka klam COVID-19.
We have got the lowest number of positive cases. Okay, so we are doing pretty well as of now, and whatever steps the government has taken, these are in place for more than 2 months now. The state has taken a strategy. Initially, we said that we want to do testing, we want to have isolation, we will quarantine the people, and after that now, the focus is on training and self-awareness and self-help. So Meghalaya already, they have given lesson to India that how the community can deal with these cases. We have got community COVID management teams which are effective at urban as well as rural areas. So Meghalaya has done a very important work in this regard, that community ownership is there. So we need to take it forward, and as I said, that self-help and self-awareness. Everybody has to, take care of themselves as well as their near and dear ones, and we should be safe.
Hakaway par kabenta Dr. Roy uloong ru baki breu ken haban imlang bat uniu knyang jingpang hindoi dan kampat ik jinglong adakar naladi.
That previously we have never, thought, many of us, we still feel uncomfortable wearing masks. So we do not use it properly. So it is going to be inevitable that you have to live with it. You have to learn to live with it. That is behavior change. You have to learn not to shake hands. You have to, avoid touching people, avoid hugging people. So the way that we were used to living, that life has to change. We always have to maintain distance, even when our schools and colleges will be open. Our shops are opening, so we have to maintain that. We cannot have the way that we were used to before. Things may change once if we get a vaccine and we have a good coverage and we can eradicate the virus. Maybe things will change, but I don't see in the near future. So we have to learn to live with COVID.